Hello everyone, it's me again. We are going to see the fireworks. It's Bonfire night here in the UK. So our friends invite us to go to their house to see the fireworks. So the kids is already prepared. So we need to wrap up tonight because it's really freezing. Okay, and let's go everyone. Bella. Oh, Bella. Oh, your eyes. Bella, look at me. Come on then, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
I think we got lighter now. Okay, let's go now. Oh, excited, Freddy. Yes, fireworks is Freddy said fireworks. Said fireworks. Isabella, come here. Look at me, Bella. Fireworks. Fireworks. Look at the eyes. Ang eye nila nagaano sa lights. Oh, make sure raise their hand. Ang eyes nila, kasi may mga tawag nito, parang eyeball ba yun? Watch the finger. Let's go na, Reese. Hello, Reese. And Isabella, look, hi. Wrap up in.
We got so many sparklers.
Hi. We got loads of sparkle. Oh, yeah, wow. Careful now, everyone. Goodness me, we're gonna see all the fireworks. It's gonna be awesome.
Alright, that won't hurt.
Oh. Wow.
Bella, one?
Going to Miss Arson in a minute.
Just make sure you don't point at anybody, right? Hold her. Just hold on the end. Right.
Wow, Isabella, look. Wow.
Right letters then.
Wow, look at that.
What's your name? Start with a K. Start with a K. Can I do a K with that? Who do I?
Wow, it's nice.
Hey, that's good. I'm dead.
And I'm walking up to nowhere. Bounce to the left of me, focus to the right, till I am stepping in. Yes, I'm stepping in. And I'm wondering myself, I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover man. You know I love you. Yeah, you know that it's true. Go give me all of your loving, baby. What more can I do? 'Cause I'm walking by myself. I hope you'll understand. I said, oh no.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. It's okay. Wow.
It's alright, but dear. It's alright, it's not too bad. What's the matter, man?
It's okay now.
We say yours okay now.
You know, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh, I guess you it is this time.
You got head of it, and him, hasn't he?
Look, he's deaf from the fireworks and blind from the flash now.
I know what I.
Do the big one now.
Oh, the big one.
Apparently there's a big
Look, watch how good this is only
box
picking
one?
up like I just have a
hang
phone.
on.
Yeah, the big one.
What's good there?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
They're doing a little box.
Oh my God. Daddy, there's a big one now.
Oh my goodness, it's a big one.
Is it the biggest one or just the same like
box.
Daddy.
Whoa! What do you think of that? Yay! Already gone.
Daddy, show them as well.
Are you all hiding? Are you hiding?
You're afraid.
It's not that bad.
Living in Syria,
Aye.
Greg.
Yeah,
Oh
imagine.
my word.
She's right, isn't she? If you live in somewhere like Syria where they have
Oh
them.
my word.
Yeah.
Imagine that, the kids living in...
It's okay. They would be dead.
Okay, kids. Please.
I think she's
Oh, what are you gonna say, babe?
sunk it.
Oh, I...
Thank you very much. I said thank you. Trying to say there's a man there.
No, it's not a man. Jane, what is this, Jane?
It's a mushroom.
Oh, is that...
She thought it was
I'm-
something else.
Yes.
No. Mushroom. There's 3 of them.
Oh, there's one. They're doing the big one again.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Oh, we finished.
Yeah, all done.
Are you all hiding?
All done.
I think he's scared of me.
Yeah, it's kidding.
Yes, I can eat
Well, I'm moving forward, right and back. Well, I do it every way I like. Well, twisting the night away. Well, I've been twisting. Well, I wanna make love to you tonight. I never thought I wanted to come. Well, the feeling's just right. And in my arms you gonna run. Wanna have just one more chance.
Dad.
Yeah, I don't think it's quite done. Is it? No, it's really brown. Well, I think it's done lovely, look.
I guess you better slow down and we'll stand down. I said a Mustang selling now, baby. I guess you better